Hello guys, welcome to Get Placed. Today we are going to make a program to swap two numbers without use of third variable. So before swapping the variables, we have to know what is swapping. Swapping is the process of interchanging the content of variable. Suppose we have two variables a and b and the content of variable is 20 and 30 respectively. Then after swapping, what will be the content of variable a and b? The content of variable a will be 30 and content of variable b will be 20. So we will follow three steps in order to swap the value of variables or numbers. Here I have two variables a and b. A contains 20 and b contains 30, and after the swapping process a will be 30 and b will be 20. So coming to the first step of swapping, first step is a is equal to a plus b, means we will update the value of a as a plus b. Initially a was 20 and b was 30, so now a will be 20 plus 30, which will be 50. In this step value of b will be unchanged. Now coming to the second step, which is b is equal to a minus b. In the last step a was 50 and b was 30, so in this step b will be a minus b, means 50 minus 30 will be 20, so b will become 20 and a will be unchanged in this step. Now coming to the third step, which is a is equal to a minus b. In the last step a was 50 and b was 20, so now a will be 50 minus 20, which will be 30, and the value of b will be unchanged in this step. Here I am summarizing these three steps. Suppose we have to interchange or swap 20 and 30. A contains 20 and b contains 30. So the first step was a is equal to a plus b, means a is equal to 20 plus 30, which will be 50. And second step was b is equal to a minus b. A was 50 in the last step and b was 30, so 50 minus 30 is equal to b. Now coming to the third step, which is a is equal to a minus b. A was 50 in the last step and b is 20 in the last step, so 50 minus 20, which will be a is equal to 30. Now after performing these three steps, we will have a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 20, which is the swapped value of variables. Now we will implement these three steps in Java in order to see the output. I am going to use Java to implement the program. Here I am using Eclipse IDE and I have a interview corner project. I am going to make a class named class, and the name of class will be swapping. I am including the main function. So first step will be defining two variables. So suppose I'll take two variables, int a is equal to 20 and int b is equal to 30. Now I have to swap these two variables. Then I will implement the three steps which I have told. A is equal to a plus b, b is equal to a minus b, a is equal to a minus B. Before swapping, I am going to print the values of variables. So system dot sorry system dot out dot print ln value of a is plus a plus value of b plus b, and this is swapping logic. So after these three steps the value will be swapped. So I'll print again the value of variables. So I'm just copying and pasting here. I think the program is complete. Now I'm going to run the program. Here is the output. The value of A is 20 and the value of B is 30. And after swapping, the value of A becomes 30 and the value of B becomes 20. Now output will be more clear. This is output of variables before swapped, and this is the output of variable after the swapping. Thanks for watching video. If you have any doubt, then ask in comment, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.